Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Noodle link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from the United States. I looked this stuff up. I know what it is. You don't know what this is. But I looked it up. I couldn't find it anywhere. So it's new. It's real new. And I'm going to try it real quick. Not today, but maybe tomorrow. We'll see. But I will rush this out as fast as possible because this is something very different. Let's crack it open and have a look. Oh, wow. All right, are you ready? Are you like totally ready? Are you ready? You're ready, right? Are you ready? All right. Yeah. No. Yeah. This is not a bunch of peanut butter. This is JIF peanut butter instant noodle. Stir fry noodle. So it says it's new. Let's look at one of the individual cups. And here it is. Yes. I am fascinated, folks. I am like thoroughly fascinated. And I'm so fascinated. I want to see what is in this cup because I don't think it's just going to be a bunch of powder noodle. I think there's going to be a sachet or two, and I think the sachet will be a packet of peanut butter. So let's take the lid off. Holy cow. All right. Oh, it is. It's dry. It's a dry sachet. It just says JIF peanut butter flavored seasoning. Look at that. Okay. And then there's noodle. So there's the seasoning and the noodle. So now I'm curious, what's in it? Contains peanut, soybean, wheat, and milk. I wonder where it's made. I wonder who makes this. I know the company that distributes it, but I don't. This is fascinating. But yeah, peanut butter flavored ramen with other natural and artificial flavors. It's like a 3-minute spin in the microwave. JIF stir fry style noodles. And it's new. 332 calories for a 1-cup serving. This whole thing. 11 grams of fat. No cholesterol. Hey, 960 milligrams of sodium. That's not bad. A lot of carbs. A couple fiber. 9 grams of protein. That's probably from the peanut butter. So yeah, I mean, I'm sure there's somebody out there that's going, ew, peanut butter noodles. But have you ever had Thai food? There's peanut all over the place in Thai food. There's peanut in a lot of food, and it's really good. Yeah, I think I might have to like push this out tomorrow. I'm tempted. I'm really tempted. Yeah, this sounds interesting. Well, thank you to the JIF people for sending this over. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles, whatever the flavor may be. Have a good one. Bye.